3, 2, 1. Hello. 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 Basit, come. Join this live with me.
Just take me live then.
Come. What's up, guys? Oh, 713 of you guys. Hello. How are you? My name is Rooh. And welcome to my live.
My name is Jeff.
And yeah. Yo, Basit, bro, wake up. Right now, I'm in Calgary, Alberta. I've been up for almost 34 hours editing a vlog because my laptop is so bad that I can't
sponsor him.
That I literally can't edit on it, but I made do with what I could. Because to be honest, you guys wanted a vlog for my sister's wedding, and a lot of people that couldn't come, like my family, they wanted a video, so I have to release this. 922 of you guys. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Roo, take me live.
But why would I take you live when you're sleeping right there? They can see you. You know that, right?
It's okay. I'm getting my sleep.
Are you guys excited? I wanna know. Are you guys gonna go ahead and watch the video? It's gonna be live in 55 minutes. 50 minutes. I don't know how to say 55 in Urdu, but if that's how you say it, then that's how you say it. There's a rabbit. Yo. Called. Give me a second, guys. I'll call her back. Yeah. So this rabbit.
So it wasn't just this.
Yo, no. These rabbits are on steroids over here.
Yeah.
They're actually like they're like long-legged.
They'll make a good biryani.
Bro, I don't know. They're scary. Anyways, this vlog is very emotional. I do cry in this vlog. I know I said this in my other account. I know a lot of guys are afraid to cry. Yo, it's nothing wrong to cry at your sister's wedding, or it's nothing wrong to cry at a milestone that you reach. We're human. We should be able to cry whenever we want to. And to be honest, it relieves a lot of stress and anxiety. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, all you guys showed so much love. Yo, I posted a picture. That picture did numbers, and yo, you guys showed so much love to Fatima and my family. I appreciate that and say thank you to each and every one of you for all your kind words. As you can tell, we know you can speak English, but try to speak Urdu. अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ी बहुत उर्दू मैं बोलता हूँ. मैं 2 Red Bull पी चुका हूँ अभी. 35 hours, and I've been up. And who's watching me? A lot of people are watching me. Hello. The people that I follow, how are you? You know, you don't have to. You don't know how to read comments. I do know how to read comments. What are you guys talking about? Yo, boss it, bro.
No.
Wake up, bro.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं कर यार, मेरे को क्या कर रहा है? बाहर नहीं अटैक कर पाऊँ।
नहीं, मैं तुझे
सिंपल कर।
Wake up, bro. Yo, all my boys are sleeping. My vlog's about to drop. I don't know what you guys are doing. Yo,
listen, I'm gonna watch it with you when it premieres.
No.
Yeah, same.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
All you guys are sleeping.
Bro, wallahi, okay? मुझे उठा देना, हम एक साथ देखेंगे.
I can't believe them. I can't believe them.
और चाय पीते हुए. Okay?
चाय? यहाँ पे तो चाय नहीं मिलती.
If you let us rest for an hour, we're gonna watch it so nice, bro.
What do you mean watch it so nice?
I'm gonna click on all the ads, bro.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna bother. Yo, if I watch it now, I'm gonna think of skipping the ads. But like, yo, if I get some sleep.
Yo, we have 1,000 viewers. You guys don't want to say hi to 1,000 viewers? What do you guys?
Hey guys, hi. Can you tell the room?
Yo,
let us sleep for like an hour.
No.
Guys, please
tell these guys to wake up.
Sleep.
Yeah, what's up, guys? How are you? I have 1,000 people, bro. This is insane. This is actually insane, man. What'd you say?
1,000 people at this time. That's crazy.
Yeah, 1,000 people at this time. Holy. Thank you, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in Alberta. For anybody that lives in Alberta, I'm going to Banff and Jasper I heard Banff is a beautiful place. I travel the country, but I don't travel my own country. No, I travel the world, but I don't travel my own country. So I think it's time for me to travel my own country because of this COVID stuff. You can fly domestically, and yeah. I mean,
I'm watching your life.
you are watching my life?
Me too.
Let your friends sleep. Yo, Hasib, yo, shut up.
Yo, thank you. Thank you.
Yo, Hasib, you guys want to see Hasib? Let your friends sleep? Yeah.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. There you go. Let your friends sleep, right? I ain't letting nobody sleep.
Yo, Roo, take me live.
Why would I take you live when you're right there? Okay, all of you, 978 of you, I want to see you guys in the comment section.
I want to sleep.
And yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. Rabbits in Alberta are actually like ginormous. I think they take steroids. It's actually crazy, to be honest.
He actually took my blanket away.
I did. Yeah. I mean, you know why I'm nervous about this video is because, yo, I've never cried on camera. Let alone, like, anything else.
You never vlogged in Alberta?
What?
Is that what you said?
No, I've never cried on camera. That's what I said. Where's Sikandar nowadays? He's in Canada. Why are you in a hurry? Calm down. Yo, I'm not in a hurry. It's just that in order for, like, I was editing and I drank too many Red Bulls. And I think I'm on a sugar high. But it is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna post a link on my story about 10 minutes before 15 minutes before the video goes live. I want all you to go and comment, like, just share it, just show some love. I do whatever you like. I hope you guys really enjoy this. I put around 15 hours of editing because of my crappy laptop that can't edit. But once I get back to my home in Toronto, Brampton, I will also give you another vlog next week. I promise. I'm trying to get consistent with this YouTube stuff, and I think I'm on the right. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, take care. You guys are important. Thank you so much for showing me love. Thank you so much for being alive. And I'll see you guys in 45 minutes on the new video. Okay, take care. Bye.